This demonstration will show you how to create a session. I'm going to first sign on as a teacher, a math teacher. This is the teacher's main menu. The first step in getting going is to create a session. There are two ways to do that. One through the calendar and the other through manage sessions. First, we're going to use the calendar function. The calendar function works similar to the other calendar functions you might have used. Here you can see the day view, but you can look at a week or a month as well. I'm going to select a time I want the session to start. In this case, 10 a.m. On the session profile screen, you define the details about your session. I'm going to call my session trig, sines, and cosines. I'll select the category of math. The content of this pull-down can be set in application settings. You could put departments or areas of study. It's fully up to the school. Then I'll add building, classroom, and number of seats. In cases where students are allowed to sign up for enhancement or elective types of sessions, the application will track the number of sign-ups and will not permit further sign-ups when there are no more open seats. This is particularly helpful if you're using the application to track sign-ups in a testing center. Time and data are auto-filled based on the calendar selection. You can enter notes that are visible to the students who may be signing up for classes. I'll put a short note in here. Teachers will see all teachers and could create a session for another teacher. This was allowed to accommodate departments where the department head or assigned teacher would be creating all of the sessions. However, the selected teacher defaults to the teacher signed in. Now let's create a session by using the Manage Session function. When you use this function to add a session, it will automatically pick up the default settings through the configuration settings that we talked about earlier. The rest of the process works exactly the same as if you created it through the calendar.